it's a rest day, so no training at all today, but we're going to be active. We're going to go out. We're taking that for a walk down to the beach, but it's raining. Cool. But before we get to the beach, we're going for breakfast. Cheap meal. Woohoo! I've overslept. I was supposed to be out of class this morning after a leg session. I've not been sleeping very well. Yesterday was epic. I had basically our class day as a refeed day, but it was a big cheat day. I still only went to about 2,300 on the, or 2,300 on the calories, which is about my maintenance calories anyway. So because I'm restricting most of the week, the refeed was pretty welcome. I am feeling a little bit more energised and stronger today, so hopefully when I actually make it to the gym, I'll smash this leg workout. So I'm still intermittent fasting. It's nearly 11 o'clock. I've had a Monster already, so now I'm going to have a coffee. So, oh. My normal cup's not up there. Take it, you'll do. So I'll wait for that to do its thing. Like I said, I've not been sleeping very well. I'm not quite sure why. Got a lot going on in my head. Hopefully that's not draining me out. So I'm gonna have this coffee. I'm probably going to eat first, about 12ish, have my first meal of the day, and then give it a couple of hours and I'll probably go to the gym. Okay, see you soon. Right, this is my first meal of the day. It's, well, by the time I eat it, it'll be 12 o'clock. I changed it around slightly. If any of you follow me on Facebook, you'll know that this is just a standard breakfast for me, although I've changed it round. So this is the low-fat Greek yogurt, the Skier, that you get from Lidl's, and that's half a pot, so that's about 175 millilitres, I think, with flavour drops from My Protein and a banana. And then what I've done on this one is, normally I just put flavour drops in, but I've actually put some of this Belgian chocolate Diet Whey from PhD into it to just like ramp it up a little bit, give me a little bit of extra protein, keep me fuller for longer. And I've obviously got my supplements as well, just my vitamin tablet, my omega-3 and my evening primrose. And upstairs I'm starting to take CLAs again, because I'm obviously trying to get rid of this last sort of probably half a stone of fat, and it's mostly around, well, it's my upper body more than anything, but it's sort of like generally all over and mostly stubborn on my stomach. So I'm starting to take CLAs, and I have already taken this morning My Protein's Thermopure, but again, it's a bit of a fat burner, raises your core temperature and helps with that kind of thing. So this is the first meal. Right, let's go and get this down the